It was an amazing day.
From the moment I came in the building, it's just this like wow factor.
Everything we see in here is Instagrammable.
When we first came in, we got a great overview on color technology from Axalta.
From the history of color to how it's applied on vehicles today.
And it really highlights how much is going on in the refinish industry and how much is changing, and just how much innovation and goes into all these different colors.
I think what was most interesting was going outside and looking at the different ways that you could interpolate what that color was if you needed to match it.
All the variables that can affect paint color and how each person sees color subjectively and slightly different. It's just something I didn't really think a lot about before, and now it's just pretty fascinating, and to know how much of an art it is to refinish a car.
When Peter Meyer went through his demonstration of the layering of certain colors and the way that it actually comes out in his finished product is not at all how it looks as he's applying it, is just fascinating.
Looking at the color matching process, I thought it was just fascinating.
We got to see some demos on how to make it match properly.
Axalta is really taking the charge with these technologies through collecting all the data for different variations of paint color with the spectrophotometer and that technology to help shops out.
They can pull all these different formulas from the field, and in real time, if a match is found in China or Asia or the other coast, they can pull it, have that, so when someone's trying to match it at another body shop, they already have that information, and it can make the process so much simpler for them.
They're just putting exhaustive research into it and really trying to do everything they can to be kind of on the cutting edge of where these trends are going in the auto industry.
What I experienced today really gave me a much stronger appreciation for what they do, and the innovations that Axalta has to make their jobs easier, their lives easier, is insanely impressive.
And Axalta has really excelled at keeping the technology at pace or ahead of the pace in terms of understanding how to make sure they're mixing properly and can give painters choices.